With your appearance here at the University of Florida, how did you become acquainted with Coach Meyer, and kind of what are you going to chat with him about?
I think we, just have known each other professionally. I've admired what they do from a distance. Obviously scouted their teams and watched them and talked to him about, players that he had that were coming into the NFL. But this is really a chance to talk to the Gator team about developing off the field. They're going to be a championship team on the field, but really talk about character and being a teammate and being a citizen and looking to their futures.
Okay. What do you think their chances are of a repeat championship?
I think they've got a great chance. The problem they're going to have is they're now the hunted, and every week they're going to get everybody's best shot. They're going to get every team thinking if we can just beat the University of Florida, that will make our season. So that's what they've got to get ready for. But they seem like they've got some great leadership and talented players who really want it. So they're going to have a great year.